Hi everyone, welcome back to Lathus Kitchen channel. Here is a recipe which will be a indeed remedy for your cold cough. You need to have this morning and evening at least for 3 to 5 days. Definitely you will see a remedy because Moringa, that is drumstick leaves, is packed with plenty of vital antioxidants and vitamins. It really helps during cold cough. How do we make this? In a kadai, add little oil, then some sauce, followed with shallots, small onions, good amount of garlic, few curry leaves, all that saute, and then add tomatoes. 1 tomato for a bunch of drumstick leaves is good enough. 10 to 12 shallots, 10 cloves of garlic is good enough. All this fine chop, and you can fry for a while and then add 2 tumblers of water, boil well. In the meantime, blanch 1 cup of moringa, cool down, and then you can grind them. Now while this is boiling, add in pepper powder and salt, and then add in your blanched moringa which we have grinded into a paste to this. Let it boil for a good 10 minutes. Your super healthy soup is ready. This is definitely going to give quick remedy for kids, adults, even elderly. Moringa has vital nutrients. We can talk about it on and on and on. But yes, this particular soup is indeed healthy for diabetic patients. It helps them in controlling the blood sugar. During cold cough, it really helps. Do try and let me know how you find this. Do follow Lathus Kitchen for more such interesting healthy recipes, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Lathus Kitchen. Thank you.